Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this video, I will help you to make your Google Cloud Skill Boost profile public, which is mandate as a part of many community program to validate your badges. For this, first open any web browser and search for Cloud Skill Boost. And open the very first link. It will lead you to sign-in page of Google Cloud Skill Boost portal. From here, if you already have an account, then click Sign in, else click Join to create a new account. I will be going with the Sign in as my account already exists. I will log in using Google directly. Once you log in successfully, it will lead you to Dashboard portal. From here, jump into Profile section where you will see Profile is private. Click here to make private profile public, and then you can copy link and validate if your profile is public or not. As you can see here, my profile is public and anyone can view my profile who has the link, and I can mention this resume too. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to latest videos and hit the like and share button if you found the video helpful.